Good morning, friends. Welcome to Legal Matters by Sai Babu Sankara. Today, our topic is professional ethics. As I have already told you, according to Chapter 2, Part 6 of the Bar Council of India rules framed, Rule 5 says that you have to attend the court in the prescribed at all times, only in the prescribed dress, and his appearance shall always be presentable. So this is what Rule 5 says. Nowadays, due to the current COVID-19 pandemic, you are not able to attend the court in person, and in its place, the judges were considerate to hold the virtual hearings through Blue Jeans app and some other apps also. You are attending the court. So, while attending the court, even through virtual conference, definitely you have to be present in the prescribed dress only. Of course, you need not wear the coat and other things, but you have to have the neck bands, you have to be in white shirt and all these things you have to follow. I have been telling you, but still these so-called code of conduct or professional ethics, they are being given a go by so many advocates. Yesterday, one such incident happened to the two judges bench of Allahabad High Court. So, two judges, Manoj Kumar Gupta and Syed Aftab Hussain Rizvi, actually they have seen the advocate answering or trying to answer the virtual hearing from a scooter. While he was driving a scooter, he stopped and he was talking virtually. Of course, the other environment will be clearly visible on the virtual conference. Therefore, they understood and they declined to hear his petition and they posted the matter to July 12th. So, this is the state of affairs. So, the High Court judges, he appeared in a manner and he was riding a scooter, in a manner that he was riding a scooter. So the bench asked advocates to be careful and not to repeat in future. Of course, they are very considerate judges, that's why it happened like this. Right? It is the not only this single or solitary instance. That's why while delivering my lecture also I told you, a situation that's I told you that the rule numbers 1 to 52 regarding the professional standards which were envisaged in this part 6, they are not complete code. For that matter, law is not a complete code. It can be, law is always dynamic, so it changes. So this code may also change. So you may get some 3 or 4 rules regarding the standard of ethics to be followed in the while attending the so-called virtual conference. For that, I have analyzed the previous incidents also, and for your guidance, I am bringing them also one by one. Number 1, Orissa High Court, it imposed a fine of ₹500 on an advocate for not wearing a neck band. So Justice Panigrahi, he has done it. Second incident, Gujarat High Court, it noticed the applicant, advocate and A1, so being present, and during the virtual conference itself, the court noticed the accused spitting openly, right? So this conduct is deprecated by the Gujarat High Court and imposed a fine of ₹500 on him also, right? So Karnataka High Court slammed an advocate for virtual hearing by conducting the same virtual hearing by sitting in a car. He was sitting in a car and he was answering. And fourth, it happened in the Supreme Court. Supreme Court noticed an advocate attending to the virtual conference lying on a bed in a t-shirt, dressed in a t-shirt. So Supreme Court emphasized the minimum court etiquette. That's why I have been telling you, etiquette, the behavior. So whenever the district judge asks you to attend a dinner, you should not go in with chappals, or you should not go with that so-called gaudy dress. So definitely you should wear a reasonably presentable dress. And fifth, Rajasthan High Court. Rajasthan High Court adjourned a bail plea on seeing the advocate in Banyan. This is another transition. Then Orissa High Court, sixth, Orissa High Court condemned the advocate participating from inside the vehicle. So another, just like Karnataka incident, Orissa High Court also slammed the advocate for participating the video conferencing from inside the vehicle. And another point, last point I want to tell you. So Calcutta High Court. So one advocate, so he is overactive, hyperactive advocate. So actually when he got a favorable order, he took a screenshot of the virtual hearing and he has posted it in the LinkedIn as though that he argued very well and he got the favorable order. So it amounts to contempt. Calcutta High Court has taken it like that. So friends, remember all these are all very small things, like anti-rule 5, against to rule 5. Please remember, you have to be dressed properly, you have to wear the correct dress, and you have to wear the presentable dress, and you have to attend the virtual conference. But not like banyan, lying on bed and all these things which brings disgrace to the profession, which is a noble profession. So as students, whenever, so from next year onwards you are going to take charge as advocates also, definitely you have to keep all these points in mind and see that you give, we hope you will give a presentable experience even during the so-called video conferencing or virtual court. Thank you.